Hey everybody, Cindy the Paint Diva, and today is September 13th, 2023, and it's a very exciting day for me because for the past 8 years, I have been working on a book on how to choose paint colors for every room in your home. It's called the Paint Diva Method, and I've only been looking at it on my computer for the past 8 years, keep tweaking it, making changes to it, adding chapters. We went around to a ton of my clients' homes and took pictures and came back, edited, moved them around, tweaked. You know, it's been a whole long process working with a graphic designer and trying to get it the way I wanted. So finally, I sent the files off to a book publisher last week, and ta-da, here it is. One sample copy that I had printed up. Now, I did do children's books a couple of years ago. Wasn't really happy with the whole printing process. When they first sent it back to me, all the pages that were white, were supposed to be white, looked like a purpley gray, so that had to be fixed. So I understand that there's issues with printing. That's why we're doing one sample book first. I want to check it, see how it looks, and then we might need to do some tweaks. So I don't know. I also plan on showing these books to some people that I would like to have them, sponsor it maybe. So I don't want to talk too much about that, but I need to have the sample book to show people what I'm working on. It's copyrighted and I have my own ISBN number. So here it is. Here's the big unboxing. Here we go. After 8 years, let's open it up. And oh my God. Here it is. Yay! The Paint Diva Method. That's me sitting in the chair. Yes, I did everything. I self-published this book. It's designed the whole book, designed the cover, designed the whole inside, backside, wrote everything. Yeah, look. Oh, awesome. That is exactly what I wanted. So each chapter is its own color. I wanted it to even look colorful from the outside. Easy to find the chapter that you're looking for. Fabulous, fabulous. Okay, here we go. The Paint Diva Method. Dedication. One of the things that I had to learn was we were using Pantone colors, and when I sent it off to be printed, they said, no, you have to use CMYK colors, which means printers they don't have as many colors available. They use CMYK, not Pantone. Pantone has a billion colors and this only has a couple thousand, so we had to tweak some of the colors. So since this is a book on color, that's kind of important. So I'm going to have to sit and go through this whole book and really see how it turned out and see if we have to make some more tweaks. But as you can see, I want really colorful look. See, this is the chapters, right? And each chapter has its own color. That looks pretty good, pretty colorful, right? And there's my introduction. There's where I talk about how I became the Paint Diva. Oh my God, this is crazy because I've only been looking at this on the computer. To see this as an actual book, it's bigger. It appears much larger. There's my photo shoot that I did 1.5 years ago. I thought the book was going to be done then, wasn't. Still had to keep tweaking it. Oh my gosh, here in the very beginning, I teach a little bit of color theory. I don't go crazy. Listen, I wrote this so simply that an 8-year-old could read it and be able to choose paint colors for themselves, okay? And then I explain how paint colors are broken down from clear, bright to muddy colors. And yeah, and then I break it into seasons, winter, spring, summer, fall. This looks awesome. And then these are actual paint colors, Benjamin Moore and Sherwin-Williams within that palette. Yeah. There's summer, the summer palette, much brighter. Awesome. Okay, I need to really sit and look at this, but I want to show you here. And then I show you how to go into the paint store and how to find what you're looking for, right? Okay, fabulous. Let me show you. And I just want to thank in this video all of my clients that allowed me to come into their homes and take pictures of their homes. Here, see, here's the very first This is part 2 where we actually go room by room and choose colors room by room. See, this is one of my clients, that's their kitchen. And then these are all other kitchens within the chapter. See, I had to design all of this, like the color for each chapter, the accent color, the tips, you know, the whole way that everything looks. This is, if you know my Paint Diva logo, and let me show you. Here, that's my Paint Diva logo. So I wanted to kind of stay true to that. So every chapter starts with that type of a bubble shape. And yeah, then we go. And then I get very practical and talk about how to choose if you have wood cabinet, if you have granite, if you have a white kitchen, if you have gray kitchen, all that kind of stuff. I even talk about what products to use, everything that you would possibly need to know. I could tell you, see, these are all my clients let me come in and take pictures of all their rooms, right? But I can see, they look a little dark. I can already tell we're gonna have to brighten up some of these pictures before it gets out to the public. But we are so close, so close. And then at the end of the book, part 3, I talk about how to choose colors for the trim, for the ceiling, what finish to use, all that kind of stuff, problem solving. I mean, I tried to hit absolutely everything. So this is very exciting. Once it's really, really done, after I go back, I could tell some of these colors have to be brightened. After it's really, really done, I'm gonna have a book release party. And I'm gonna invite everybody that I've ever chosen paint colors for. You are all welcome. Plus all of my friends and family and everybody in town. Everybody can come to my book release party. Stay tuned for that. But we're getting there. Woohoo!